how do CopyPacks work? You're going to want to come into Pagewheel. So here, when you log in the first time, you're probably going to see something like this. You're going to go to the blue buttons where it says Get Your CopyPacks. Come on, click into there. And then at the front, you're going to see step number 1. Tell us your product or your program. So I'm going to say a empowerment program for divorcees. Okay, so I just said what my product is, an empowerment program, and who it is for. That is the best type of prompt to give the Pagewheel engine. When you do that, then you get to come back down and pick your content pack. You're going to pick different types of content. You can pick social media content, which is what I have here, or you could pick business branding options, website or blog stuff like keywords, blog posts, emails. It'll create product ideas that you can actually go and sell. Video scripts, the world is at your fingertips here. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to click tweetable post and then personal brand and expert post. I'm going to click on these, and you can also click around and grab some other ones if you want to, and then go down to take me to my copy. Click that button. And I don't know if you guys don't speak English, you can switch the language out, but you click on that button, and then AI is going to run in the background, and it's going to spin its wheels, and it's going to create content for you. These posts that it's creating are based not off of all of the internet, but literally based off of our top virals. So here it is. These are the tweetables, the personal branding tweetables. I'm going to grab that piece of content, and then we're going to open up Canva. Now notice, guys, the sidebar here, you can click on that link and it's going to open up your template packs. And right here is a template pack. I'm going to open it up, take the words, replace them. So I'm Control A, Control V, pop my own one there. I'm going to delete the picture that's here of my friend, and we're going to put another image in. Here's just a random face. We're going to stick into it, and then you edit it by putting your name. All you do is click on it twice, and then you can start typing my name here. So there it is. I literally made this in just seconds by copying the tweetable from Pagewheel and then posting it into Canva. That's literally all I have to do. I'm going to do this for each item that's here. So you can see here, I finished this one, but I still have all of these to create. So I click on the next image and I go back to Pagewheel Packs and I'm like, okay, I'm going to pick a brand this time, a personal branding one. Grab the copy, go back into the template, and because it's small, the text, I'm going to actually make it a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to center that. And there it is. I get to put my name in just like before, and I get to post this one. So if you don't like the colors, click on it twice, and there's this little circle up at the top. Click on that, and now you can change your color to any other color that you have preset inside of your system here. Guys, this is how easy it is using Pagewheel Packs to create social media content. And like I said, you don't just need to make content for social media. You can also write blog posts. You could also write your emails. You could also create a 5-day challenge or a VSL video script. It's all here waiting for you. And again, you can change its language if you don't want the answers in English. You want them in Portuguese or German, Italian. It's all here waiting for you. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in our next tutorial.